Hey guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable light mode on your Quizlet app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, click on profile down here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your settings. So then you come to next here. Then all you have to do now, just go down here. You keep going down here, come here to appearance, click on theme. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click on light. So then here automatically it's going to change with you here to light mode, like you see on your Quizlet app. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.